Hey guys, welcome back to the another episode of Barber Masters. Guys, in this video you will find the most beautiful and flawless haircut transformation. Don't skip this video. This video gonna make your day. As you can see, this guy got perfect beard shaped and he was happy and his beard moving. The another haircut transformation. All of this flawless haircut inspired by the best barber around the world, and I will mention all of these barber in my description box. So if you are likely near this barber, you can also visit that barber. Look at this one, the perfect mid fade, and that was clean. This is gonna be a huge transformation. Yeah. My fella got new line. The perfect skin fade with buzz cut and got some perfect beard shape. Okay. The high tapper with crisp palm. Yes sir. You got the perfect fade. I wish I could have a hair like that. Even you can wear any type of fade with that type of hair. But this guy chose to have mid fade, and that was the most beautiful haircut of the day. Another mid fade done by this barber. Yeah, this barber really deserve to have a kill. Wow, this guy looks like Rick Ross. What would you say? A drop fade. Oh my gosh. If you really come with a bundle of issues, the crispy cat's gonna solve your every problem. That was fantastic transformation. Another mid fade inspired by the barber, and it looks so unnatural because that guy got very deep shape of line and it's look not natural. Oh my god, the perfect package, the light tapper fade with beautiful wave. That was flawless haircut transformation. That was flawless. Look at this one. Now this guy is totally changed. Yeah, the issue is resolved. And he's happy. Taking snaps because he got the perfect beard line connected with his mustache. Only Crispy Cat done that type of haircut. As usual, the perfect skin fade with the comb over. Crispy Cat, yeah. He can only do this job. The perfect skin fade with cheap applying. I think we are repeating this haircut, but this video should be repeated because this is the most beautiful crop haircut idea for white guys. Look at this one. Also this guy looking for some mid-fade haircut, and we are waiting to just watch the result. And this is gonna be a perfect mid-fade transformation. Yeah, it is. Wow. He got also beautiful beard line, and that was $1,000,000 transformation. I love that. Yeah, it's really flawless haircut. My broke saved, don't forget to comment, and also we are going to sign up because that was the last haircut transformation, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, turn the post notification to get updated for